Good morning everyone. This morning I'm going to show you how to make one of these clips using up all my bits and pieces. These are odd flowers that I've made and they're just hanging about. Make them into something like this, which is a little hair clip. So you can make something like this from next to nothing really, and yet these sell for a canny few bob in the shops, but hey, we know how to make them. These are the flowers I'm going to use, so I don't really need to make any more because we've already got them ready. All I need is a piece of felt of some sort, so I'm going to just use what I've got. These are all the scraps lying about. I just want to use all the bits that are left from projects or that things I've shown you how to make. These were cut from a bit of a doily and things like that. So what I'm going to use first of all is a couple of these. Now I don't need to do the whole ones because I'm not going to, you know, waste one. I don't believe in that sort of thing. So I'm just going to pop that on the end like that. Really extends it and just gives it a little bit of a flare to see it under the flowers. Like that. And we're going to do the same on the other side. Opposite side, should I say. So this is how we can extend it to put other things on. Like that. Okay, and you get that underneath. Let me just show you. See, you can see them underneath, just showing that little bit. So the next thing I'm going to do is to pop on the main flower, and these we do sell them in the shop, but they're not hard to make. Really not hard to make at all. So I'm just going to pop this one here. And then I'm going to pop, maybe not use that one. Wait a minute, I'm going to pop this one on here. And then I've got the pink rose, which I'm going to pop there. And it has a couple of leaves on, so put that to the outside. And then I've got the rolled roses. So and it's got leaves on it, so we'll pop it on like that. Now we've got some of these. Just going to glue them in. Now I'm going to lay them flat. So I'm going to pop one here. And you don't want too many together, but you don't want it to look squarish either. So I'm going to do another one. And I'm going to put this one on this side underneath. Like that. See how it's already coming together? Now do I want to put any purple with it? Well, we'll see. I do actually like that. So I'm going to pop a purple flower there. Again, these are all handmade. And here I've got a little rose that I'm going to pop in. like that. I've also got a rose to go in here. Let me just get some more glue. And try and attach your flowers together if you can. Like that. I'm going to turn this around. And I have this little rose, which is going to go in there. That gives that a bit of greenery in there. And I think I'm going to pop that one. No, that's too big. Right, so what we've got of some of these. So I'm just going to cut them, bend them. We do sell all of this in the shop. And we're going to pop one here as decoration. The leaves will come here. I'm going to put another one there. Like that. See how pretty they are? Next to no effort. Use up what you've got. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add... I'm going to put these leaves in, I think. Let me see. Do I want them? I might do. Yeah, I'm going to put one in there. Let's pop one there like that. And I don't like to see them on their own. So I'm going to add another small one in there. Like that. Yeah, I like that. We can put those away and they can be used on another project. Now, I'm just going to get some of these stamen because I do like to see little bunches here and there. Now, Julie and I were talking about we're going to go up to Scotland shortly in October because we've not been on holiday this year yet with the lockdown and whatever. Right, just do that and then we can pop these where we think we need them. And I think we need some here. There we go. Just cut them, and to be able to keep them together, dab of glue on them, roll them in your fingers, and then we can pop these. Where do I want them to go? In there, I think. You don't need many, so, and I think we'll also open this up and pop some in there as well. Let me just see. A few together, we don't need that many. Yeah, just done that. So you can spread them out and that. And I think that's fine. Now all we need to put on some of these tiny leaves. I'm just going to pop one of these on. I think it's missing it. There's a gap that can be filled in there. Like that. That's it. Yes. So much better, isn't it? So, what we do regarding the leaves. Let me just burnish that bit off. Do just a little bit of glue. I don't like to just put one. I like to do two. Like that. See, that makes a difference. I'm going to do one here. Well, we'll do two here. You'd have to check these, make sure you got them the right way around. Never put them straight on like that. Always put them at an angle, one across the other if you can. Because again, that's just makes that. Let me just see why that's not catching. It's just nicer when they're like that. See? I'm also going to put some here. So we'll do one there and one there. One pair, should I say. Like that. And take off all the threads next. I'm going to do some here. I'm going to do a couple on here as well. In fact, I'm going to do 3 on this section. Like that. See? That looks great, doesn't it? And then again, 2 here. So try and have these cut ready because they are fidgety. And I think we'll pop one here as well. And then what you can do is you can also put them in here. Now I'm just going to pop a bit of glue there, because when I close it up that will hold all of this together. And unfortunately I don't think I've got another clip, but it's not hard to put a clip on. I'm just showing you how to do the actual thing first. See how we can fill them out. I'm also going to put one just here. I don't think you can overdo it with leaves, to be honest. That's it. I like that. And like I say, look what you can achieve. They're great, aren't they? I did put some of these I cut some leaves out of the organza and put some of those on. The other thing I was going to do was try and... Let me just try this, because I do like to be different. I'm going to put it on this one, I think. I've just cut a little bit of carding, pink carding. Like that. Just to be different. See, like that. Yeah, we decided that we're going to Scotland. As long as we can get out and about. and just go and explore for 5 or 6 days. Look, just that little bit makes that difference. I might just put another one here as well. I suppose I could do this with them first. Well, it's not working really. We'll just glue them. Now we're just gonna. I'm gonna put another one there, I think. Like that. And one here. Oh, glue strands. I know, I can put the heat gun on them and get rid of them. Which I'm going to give this a blast in a minute. Don't stop me hating them. Let's just do this together. So you see, just by using a little bit of carding can make a big difference to a project. Where am I going to do it? In here, I said, didn't I? In there. See? I think that looks really pretty. Just a hint of cream here. And that one. Using all your oddments. I'm not quite sure which way I'd like that one. So I hope that's helpful. They're not hard to do. And, you know, just make what you can and buy what you can't make. And really, there's not much you can't make. You do have to buy the equipment first. Visit the shop. We've got a lovely shop filled with stuff, you know, I think it's about 500 items of crafty things. Lots of ribbons, laces and everything. And beads and, you know, trinkets and diamante. Run along and check it out. Your orders help me keep these coming, these videos. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye for now.